Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to use the flashlight feature on your Apple Watch Series 7. First thing you're going to want to do is swipe up and look for this icon here. I'm going to tap on it, and within about 2 seconds you'll see it illuminate and gives you some bright light so you can use it as a flashlight. You can see that reflecting off my hand. If you tap it, it'll go dim, but then within about a second or two, it does illuminate back up again. Now, if you scroll to the left, this takes you, within about a second or two, it's going to be a bright light flashing. If you want this to continue flashing but be a dimmer light, you tap your screen once. But again, within 1 to 2 seconds, it will again become that bright white light and continue flashing. If you scroll to your left again, this takes you to a red light. So again, within about a second or two, it does illuminate red. You can see it against my hand. And if I tap it, it gets bright and dim. So if you want that bright light to get dimmer, you tap it, but then within a second or two, it will go back to that bright light. If you want to close out completely of your flashlight, whether you're in red, the flashing, or the regular flashlight, you just hit your crown once and it's gone. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.